Hey guys, so quick solution for your HBO Max not working on PS5. So we're looking for how to fix it. Now, if you try logging back out, logging back in, uninstall and reinstall, delete save data, resetting PS5, but nothing works, this is the comment that I found. Maybe it's going to help you. Try changing the PS5 audio settings to linear RPCM. This fixed for me. So try it out. I know this is like a random video, but maybe this is going to fix the issue for you. So locate the PS5 audio settings and you want to locate the linear PCM and change it to it. And just people wrote here that it worked for them. And people said it worked for them. So hope it's going to work also for you. Have a great day, guys, and goodbye.